Hi, we're the couple behind Stay Traveling. We're in our late 70s and we travel internationally every year. And today we're talking about something that can make or break your flying experience and maybe cause some arguments along the way. And the topic is what you wear through airport security and on long flights. Oh, I'm Leanne.
I am Chan. We have different styles when we fly. One goes for comfort, and I go for security and organization.
Let's talk about getting through security smoothly. You see, I wear soft, stretchy pants with an elastic waistband, and I skip all the jewelry and actually no bra. And shoes that I wear have to be slide on, easy off, easy through security, no problem.
Well, here I am. I go for efficiency because I have lot of stuff in my pocket, in my passport and all that, and I try to make it so that it doesn't slip someplace, or I'm looking for where did I put this.
Yeah.
Okay, for when I'm going through the security and when I'm coming out of the security.
And guess who takes the most time going through security?
You do.
What? No, no, you do. You do.
Of course, I have to. I have got all the electronics, all the.
Well, not on you. You don't have all the electronics.
No, but what I am saying, where it is placed,
Yeah.
I have to empty those things.
The
then
bags.
The bags.
Yeah.
Then I have to empty my pockets, and that is where I take time. And then I want to make sure that each bin has got the stuff which I remember when I come on the other end.
And as you can only imagine, this requires a tremendous amount of patience from me. And I've gotten better. I really
Yes.
have gotten
Yes.
better. In the past, when we first started this travel adventure, I would just kind of go, God, what is his problem? Why doesn't he just wear those athletic pants? Why doesn't he just have slip-on shoes?
Yeah.
Once you're on the flight, it is what it is. Comfort becomes everything for me. I want clothes that don't pinch, bunch, or wrinkle, and layers are actually important to me because planes go from freezing to stuffy pretty quickly.
What I wear on the flight depends upon where we are starting from and where we will be going. If there is a lot of temperature difference, I try to wear where we are ultimately going and what the weather will be over there. And a lot of it also depends on our weight requirements that, like I like to wear my shoes because my shoes are bigger. They take a lot of space in the suitcases.
Right.
So I just wear those shoes. I have just one pair, and typically I buy the shoes which I can wear it in jogging, and also they have the same. They look like I can wear it with my dress.
Yeah, I think you're very practical when it comes to, well, everything. And I think with the shoes, he has opted for a shoe that we know is going to be good for walking.
Yes.
And it's actually maybe a little bit more casual dress.
Yeah.
And believe me, that's kind of hard to find, but we've found that the Merrill shoes seem
Yeah.
to fit us
Fit us.
very well. They have good grip, and you can get some stylish Merrill shoes.
Yeah.
Yeah, and generally we like to travel with we're trying to get where we're only traveling with carry-on bags. So some of the bulkier things he likes to wear, and I can understand what he's talking about. The other thing that we've done is, for some reason, he loves this little thing that I made, and he wears it all the time. Do you want to tell him what you use this
Yeah.
for?
I mean, but she's lately, I mean, I have wore this thing since COVID. And it's a really great design. It's a really great design. And it has got my mask. It has got my pen inside, you know. It's got my pen inside and paper and my itinerary. I just pick it up and say, okay, here, what time we are going, and all that. And then at the back, I like to show you, this is where my phone goes, my cell phone. And then lately she's been bugging me to buy this. Okay? Imagine. Because she likes this.
Yeah, but it just looks better.
Yeah.
I mean, we were just recently in Vietnam, and I saw a nice one like this that was made out of leather. No, he did not want it.
Okay, this one I can wear it whether I'm going for a walk or I'm going to a 5-star hotel.
Gosh, I don't know about that, but he does.
Yeah.
And I guess I should just say, I made it for him, and I appreciate that he really likes it. I mean, that's really great. But in the long run, dressing right for travel, it's really not about fashion. And
It's about comfort.
yeah.
And it is about, some compromises you have to make because of the weight, because
Yeah.
of the security,
Yeah.
because how you feel.
Yeah.
Do you like to have your wallet in the front
yeah.
pocket, or you like to have I always want to wear everything which is valuable to me in the front.
I do want, before we close, I do want to say that as you age, we forget things. And so we
Yeah.
do have a routine. And so, for instance, I do carry the passports and any kind of information. Like, fortunately, now we have, global entry. And I have all these cards in here. And so it's, when we go through this religiously, do you have your cell phone? Do you have your glasses?
Yeah.
Do you have the passports? Do you have your wallet? And it's just this mantra that we use. And I just want to tell you this, that whether you're a comfort first traveler like I guess I am, or a pockets and belt kind of person like him, the key is knowing what works for you, and then really being patient with each other and accepting that you're different people and you do things differently. Right?
That's very correct.
Okay.
That's very correct.
Yeah. So tell us what you wear when you travel or when you fly. And if you found this helpful, we'd like it if you could like this video and maybe subscribe to our channel. We've got more travel tips coming your way. So until later, bye.
Bye.